Measuring, checking and recording in control chart.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking into the process of fitter practical session to understand measuring, checking and recording in control chart.
Topics. Objectives. How to measure. Measure the dimension 26.00 mm of gap gauge go end tool. Various dimension. Check and measure all the 20 components and plot the same reading on the control chart. Safety precautions in fitting. Demonstration activities shop talk with safety. Safety attitude development of the trainee by educating them to use personal protective equipment. Identify personal protective devices. Interpret the different types of personal protective devices. Eye protection. Safety glasses. Foot protection. Safety shoes. Dust and fumes. Respirators. Hands safety. Gloves. Head safety. Helmet. Hearing protection. Earplugs. Clothing. Safety jacket. Prevent from falling. Safety harness. Measuring, checking and recording in control chart. How to measure the dimension 26.00 mm of the gap gauge go end tool various dimension. How to check. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to measure the dimensions and prepare the chart. Instructor has to prepare 20 components as per the drawing and keep them ready. Ask the 20 trainees to check and measure all the 20 components and plot the same reading on the control chart. Each trainee measures the dimension 26.00 mm of the gap gauge go end and notes down the value against his roll number in table. Based on the data available in table, ask the trainees to record it on the chart. Draw the curve according to the mark in the chart. Submit the chart to the instructor for checking. Enter each trainee's component dimension 26.00 plus 0.010 to 0.000. Note: the control chart is a graph used to study how a process changes over time. Data are plotted in time order. A control chart always has a center line for the average, an upper line for the upper control limit, and a lower line for the lower control limit. These lines are determined from historical data. Topic 6. Measuring, checking and recording in control chart. Measure the dimension 26.00 mm of gap gauge go end tool. Check and measure all the 20 components and plot the same reading on the control chart. Recap. Safety precautions in fitting.
Now we have learned how to measure, check and record in the control chart.
Hope you had a clear understanding on this technical process. Thank you.